Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and just a quick overview of 2021 as far as what's happened to me. Health-wise, I had some trouble in the middle of the year, but slowly recovered. My YouTube channel has been doing fantastic, thanks to all my subscribers and viewers. My Amazon store, that's what I'm going to show you here in a few minutes, has done very well, again thanks to my subscribers. And the way you get to my Amazon store is down below each of the newer videos. And a couple of years ago, like at video number 1300 or something, Amazon changed everything. So the links to my Amazon store were all messed up. Well, I started going back and changing all the old ones, and I realized 1,300 videos, that's too much work. So the old videos, you'll get the wrong link. The new videos after like 1,300, you'll get the correct link, and it's right here. And if you click on this, this will take you to my Amazon store. Now, if you're not familiar with Amazon stores, individual stores, Amazon allows anyone to set up a web page on their website. And you set up the web page, you give it a name and all this stuff, and then you add things to it from Amazon that you think people will like. And so once a user goes and takes that link and it goes to my web page, he's on Amazon. You're dealing with Amazon. You're buying from Amazon. You're getting Amazon's support and guarantee and everything associated with Amazon. I have no merchandise to sell you. This is all Amazon. So it's really nice, really convenient for us, one single type persons that just want to set up a storefront. Very easy to do. So here's my storefront, and as I do reviews on my show, I add items to my store that I like. I don't add just items that I reviewed, because some things I reviewed I don't like. I try to, in my reviews, I try to find things and do a little homework to see if there are things that I like and I think you'll like. So I try not to put things on here that I don't think you'd like. So you come here and then you can click on any item in my store and it will take you to that Amazon page. For instance, we click on this item right here, boom, you're on that page. You can see I bought it back in December 7th and I've done a review. I really like this. It goes on sale quite often. So that's what you get. So let's go back. And so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take several minutes and kind of quickly go through this list I made and things that I've reviewed. Now, a few things I have not reviewed. For instance, this radio right here I have not reviewed, but I've read the reviews, they were good, and so I thought, I think this is a good radio. I just haven't purchased one, haven't reviewed one, have requested from, this is from WRTH. I've requested one, they have not sent me one because it's a bestseller, so they don't have any available. Now the other thing about Amazon is all the time, not just the holidays, but all the time, they have big markdowns on their merchandise. So if you go to an item and you don't need it right away, you might want to wait a little while until it goes on sale. Most of the stuff I got that I purchased, and the way I purchase it, I use the money I make from YouTube and the money I make in my Amazon store, and use that money exclusively to purchase things to review on my show. So that's how I do that. Anyway, where was I going? I don't know. So well, I'm just going to go through this quickly. This was a really good bargain. $18, it's still a pretty good bargain. A NOAA weather AM and FM radio. This is the guide, the WRTH guide about things that are broadcast. It has TV, shortwave, everything imaginable in here, plus some great reviews. And this is the last year they're going to be published unless another publisher picks them up. So I recommend getting that. This is another great guide from Gail Van Horn. Her and her husband generate these great guides, again, about shortwave listening, or she has other ones about airband listening, so on. So let me keep going here. Try to find just things that stand out. This is a great little radio. It's a radio and a MP3 player. Now, right now, you know, a lot of sales are over now for the holidays. It's full price at $23.99, so you might want to wait. But I've used this a lot. Okay, going back down, and I'm not going to touch on every one of these. Just going to kind of jump on a few of them here that really stood out. This is something people ask for me a lot, is how do I connect my coax cable to my, say, PL 330? Well, this is the item you want. Get these off of Amazon. It looks like, right at this moment, this particular seller doesn't have any. So you might have to use this and do a search on Amazon for another seller. Again, well, actually I haven't mentioned it, but when you go to my Amazon store, the store right here, once you're there on Amazon, you can go to other Amazon pages, not in my store. So for instance, I could click on this again. Takes me to this page. It appears this right now is not available. So then I could go click on something else, like this one here. I'll click on that one. That one's available. If you buy this while you're at Amazon and went through my Amazon store, I get a commission. I still get a commission. Or if you say, I'm not interested in electronics today, I'm interested in birdseed. So you type in birdseed, do a search, and there's some birdseed. Say, okay, there's what I want. Again, as long as you stay here on Amazon, don't leave it, I'll get a commission off birdseed. And when I've looked over my sales for this year, I would say 70 to 75% were things that weren't in my Amazon store. So people, what they had done, I'll go back here, they had taken the link to my Amazon store and then did what I just showed you, went and looked for other things. But once you leave Amazon, then that link is broken, and if you go back directly, I don't get a commission. So I want to thank the people that took a little extra time, went through my link, even though they knew they wanted to get birdseed, but they went through my link, went to my store, and then went and did a search on birdseed and purchased it. All right, let's see what else we got down here that really stands out. This is another Gail Van Horn guide. I love those guides those put out. Oh, Yeah, SDR play RSPs. Yep. Excuse me, SDRs. I'll get it right in a minute. That's a good value. That is a good value. I really use mine a lot. There's another link to the Gale's Global Radio Guide. Here's some tools. One tool that I found. Here's something that I've recommended to people several times, is this contact cleaner, CRC contact cleaner. Actually, this is the lubricant. I'm sorry, this is a lubricant. Let's go back. I thought that was the contact cleaner that I recommend. I guess it wasn't. Again, there's another SDR. Has another connector. Let's see, this is still available. $239. Boy, that's a steal. That's the connector you need. And is it in stock? Yeah, it's in stock. Okay. I'm just skipping around here, jumping on things that I thought were kind of outstanding. Of course, this is one of my prized radios, but they've gone up so much in price. This is the original Grundig, which is probably not available anymore. Yeah, I got this back in 2013. Oh, here's buying options. Ooh, I hate to look at this. Oh my gosh. This thing has become so popular. I think I paid like $249, or I can't remember. Mine is the original Grundig. This is the Eaton Grundig. Now mine's the original Grundig. Okay, moving on. And go back. Hello, wake up. What else we got here? There's another Gail Van Horn guide. Check out her guides and her husband's guides. They're really good and they're not expensive. Here's an analyzer. I believe this is the MFJ. This was sent to me by MFJ. I did several shows on it and I use this a lot. It's a great antenna analyzer. Okay, we're going to skip down here real quick. Now this is the brand of rechargeable batteries I use and have had very good luck. EBL, I'll get it right in a minute, EBL. There is the RTLSDR.com version 3. This is a great SDR dongle for $30. That if you want to get into SDRs, this is the way to go. There are a number of programs that you can run on your computer to control it. It doesn't do great on HF, but above HF, it does a great job. Okay, let me see anything else I want to point out. Other thing I want to thank all the sellers that have provided me with equipment to review on my show. The Texan line, of course, has got a lot of good radios. And unfortunately, many of these, some of these things that were unique are no longer available. Okay, that's it. Again, thanks to all of you that watch my videos, use my Amazon store, have subscribed. I really, really appreciate it. It's been as far as my YouTube channel and the Amazon store, it's been a good year in 2021, and I hope it's even better in 2022. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. That tells Amazon that I'm producing shows that my viewers like, not just wasting their time. If you haven't subscribed, I'd appreciate it if you did. We didn't make 15,000 last year. It's just a number, but it just makes me feel good if I can make 15,000 subscribers. So hopefully we can do that soon in 2022. Happy New Year and have a great, great year. Bye-bye.